Yes, book. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Welcome to a brand new episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane. I have officially lost it in 11 weeks of quarantine, and this is my son, Kyler. So, I know I haven't been uploading the past week. Now, there's a reason, and the reason is, honestly, I just needed some downtime. And I just felt like on my free time, all I really wanted to do was to chill out and relax and maybe surf Netflix or finish my diamond painting, because my art thumb just decided to come back with a vengeance, and I just needed to chill out. Really, that's it. So anyways, I am still lazy, and I thought to myself, well, you guys really want to see some videos, and you guys also express that you want to see cooking videos, but I'm still lazy, and I'm gonna put it out there. The videos that I post with the voiceover, it takes like forever to edit, extremely forever to edit, which is why I haven't posted a lot of cooking videos, because the editing portion is so time consuming and it just takes a lot of energy out of me. So I thought to myself, how do I stay lazy, and how do I release a cooking video to give you what you guys want? So I realized I can do a cook with me. So before quarantine happened, I was a beauty channel and I did a lot of get ready with me. I thought to myself, well, why don't I do a cook with me? I don't really need to do any voiceover. I can edit it like fairly easily, and I can cook, and I feel like it's a win-win situation, because also you guys get to see what I'm cooking. So having filmed after the fact I've cooked, well, at least this introduction, I had 1 hour to make I had 1 hour to make 2 meals. Kyler went to bed, and I was like, okay, I'm still lazy. I don't feel like putting anything like extravagant together, but I do have to put 2 meals, and I want to finish both meals by the time Kyler wakes up from his nap. So this is what I conjured up: chicken pasta soup, is it chicken? No, it's not. It's pesto chicken soup and nachos. So if you want to see how I make everything, please keep watching. And there you have it. That is how I make my 2 dishes in 1 hour. If you guys have any suggestions with what you want me to cook, or if you like these cook with me videos, please let me know down below. Anyways, I will end my video right here, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here, or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.